Previously on CountryBoyModz.
All right, y'all. So most of the snow pretty much melted, as you can see. We had got what, almost a foot of snow.
I got ice.
So got a little hiccup after the snow. We're gonna try it. If not, gonna have to call Safe Light Repair, Safe Light Replace. First time doing it. All right, y'all. This is the kit. I don't think it's gonna work, honestly. So yeah. I'm gonna try to see if I can get some resin to like sit up in this area within the crack. It's like, it's not on the outside, but it's like on the inner layer of the glass. So I don't know, I might have to end up just calling Safe Light Repair because it's constantly running. Yesterday it was here and it's still running. So I'm gonna use this alcohol pad, clean up the area. Then I'm gonna put whatever this is, the little sticky thing on there, try to get it into this point right here because that's where it's leading to. Hopefully we can stop it. Hopefully I can get it right here because I'm rubbing my finger across, that's where the crack actually started. But like, well, you can kind of feel it right there. So hopefully the resin can sit on there. I might need to go get some tape or something. Clear tape or something and see if I can get it to like get in there. Because they gave me this little pin here to like scratch into the surface where it's like cracked it. That way I can kind of open it up. So I'm gonna do all that and get the resin done. All right, so we put the resin on. Those little scripts ain't doing the job, but I'm gonna pray that tonight the resin is on. I'm gonna pray that tonight that it, well, throughout the night, pray that it sit in the hole, in the cracks, do its job. Those little scripts ain't doing it. I might just put some plastic over it. All right. It's Jimmy Rig, aka Ninja Rig. But yeah, we're gonna see how it works out. How it turns out in the morning. Trying to see if I can get all the air bubbles or whatever out between all of this. And hopefully that resin can sit in the spot. Like I said, if not, we'll put some more on tomorrow when it's warmer. And try to keep going till this resin right here is gone and go from there. Moment of truth, see if this works. Start by peeling this off slowly, praying to God that this works. At least somewhat work. Oh snap. Bro. Did it really work? It worked a little bit. I'm gonna try to clean the surface one more time. I'm gonna let it sit in the sunlight right now. Now I let this sit overnight, so I'm gonna try to clean it off and get it done. Try the resin one more time. My main goal is to stop it from running. If this is what it's gonna be all the time, it did something, but it didn't do much. But if I can stop it from running, that's all that matters. All right, so I'm gonna clean it one more time, and I'll try to apply another coat of resin on this. Since the sun is out, it can dry it up in there. I'm gonna go real slow like I did the first time. Try it again. Like I said, it's sealed it. It's sealed right now. That's the good part. It's definitely sealed. So yeah, I might still see the cracks or whatever. But like, if I could save the windshield, that's the whole goal. All right, y'all, the mission was successful. Operation Stop the Run. I got the resin on. It's sealed or whatever. I barely can notice it. We're gonna save this entire windshield. So we'll keep an eye on it next couple of days. Only way I'm gonna replace this windshield, this crack going all the way across. It gotta be broken all up before I replace it. That's a waste of money. Also a waste of an insurance resource. So other than that, y'all peace out. See y'all on the next one.